Hello everyone, I'm back with another video of a solar analytic review. A small disclaimer, I'm not making this video to promote any brand or to sell any product here. We have used this product, I've personally seen how it works, and I'm just sharing your experience with you guys. Another genuine request, if you like the video, please do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the latest update of these informative videos. I know it's not an entertainment channel, but your support helped me to make more videos in the future. Anyways, so let's begin with this topic. Basically, solar analytic have a patent algorithm which works in the background of your solar inverter and track your solar performance and your solar saving in a user-friendly dashboard. Company founded in 2013. Their office is in Sydney. They got a local number. When I was doing the research on this, I got to know that currently in Australia, actually Australia is the number one of the rooftop solar per capita, which is good, but 50% of the solar system reports to be underperforming. Most of the people doesn't even know that their system got any fault or issues unless they have installed a latest inverter or a micro inverter system, or they are data savvy. It is interesting, but most of the homeowners have not connected their online monitoring app or a consumption meter to check these details as well. Now, first benefit, it shows you the consumption load of your house. I have already made the video of why you should use the consumption meter. I will give the link in the description so you can check it from there. Now, coming back to the solar analytic topic, this algorithm analyzes your data and make a user energy profile. As you know, in the current world, data is the king. Now, this data combines with the weather forecast to give you the detailed understanding of your electricity usage habit, and it shows you the predicted system performance as well. Also, a company software use this data to track with the weather reports, and accordingly a system shows you the forecast tips. Second, another benefit, Electricity Plan Optimiser. So it also shows you, it actually compare your data with another electricity companies, and it can say to you, hey, this is the absolute cheapest plan for you based on your actual amount or the electricity you have imported or exported. Because most of the people doesn't even know which plan is good for them, and it may save a lot of money, a significant money, just switching over the electricity company. And this will help you in the user dashboard. You can see on the screen how the dashboard looks like. I will show you here, and you can monitor various things with that. Thirdly, it shows the whether you should buy the battery, or if yes, then when should you buy, what size you should buy, and all these stuff which will help you. Now, this software got two plans. First plan doesn't even require any this hardware. Second plan does require this hardware, and it comes with the extra features as well, which I'm going to talk about. Now, let's talk about their plans. First one, the integrated feature. You don't need this one for that. Now, this feature only available for certain brand of inverter, which is Fronius, Sungrow, LG, and GE. So in order to take this plan, you must have their respective consumption meter installed. Obviously, you must need a Wi-Fi, a connectivity, and a consumption meter. I have checked on their solar analytic website as well. So currently you can opt the free 30-day trial as well for this feature. Remember, you don't need any extra hardware. Again, there would be a fee which you have to pay after the trial period. Pricing is mentioned on their website, which changes time to time. You can go through with their website. Second one is this classic feature. For this feature, doesn't matter which brand of inverter you have, you must need this watt watcher device, which needs to be installed by the qualified electrician at your switchboard. So it goes in your switchboard with this antenna. Therefore, you have to pay for this pay for this device and the subscription fees as well. Another benefit with the classic plan, it works on a 3G connectivity as well. This device transfer all the data via 4G network in every few seconds, which provides you a real-time data as well. Another feature which is my favorite is a 3CT and 6 CTs. See, this looks like this. So these can attach with in your meter box, and you can actually see how much the lights are consuming, how much the AC is consuming any particular device, how much it is consuming at any given point of time. As of now, as per the website, subscription start from, I think it's $5.99 per month for these features. Let's talk about the warranty. It comes with a 5-year warranty after the purchase. Now the only disadvantage that you have to purchase this solar analytic with the additional fees for your home and business, and it comes with a 3G and 4G connectivity. That's it. Pretty cool. I think I have covered lots of things about solar analytic. So thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.